Friends, as promised in my earlier video, I am here with the support and resistances video. This video series for both the traders and investors. In this video series, you will learn the important basics of support and resistances and how to make profits using support and resistances strategies by trading and investing. In this support and resistance video series, firstly in part 1, we will see importance of support and resistance and types of support and resistances, static and dynamic. Static, trend lines, pivot points, Fibonacci, psychological round figures. In dynamic, moving averages, uptrend channel, downtrend channels. And finally, in this video series, we will be learning on the basis of trend lines. So let's see what it is. Hello friends, welcome back to the Technical Trends YouTube channel. I am Dharma. Friends, I will be making educational videos on how to use technical analysis tools to make profits using these tools and indicators based on the price action. So stay connected to our channel to receive all our latest videos. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share among your friends and family. Friends, let's get started. The importance of support and resistances. Support and resistance always is an important part of trends because it can be used to make trading decisions and identify when a trend is reversing. Friends, you will often hear technical analysts talk about the ongoing battle between the bulls and bears or the struggle between buyers and sellers. When there is a demand for a specific security, the buyers will come into the picture, and when there is a supply, the sellers will come into the picture. For example, friends, if trader identifies an important level of resistance that has been tested several times but never broken, or he or she may decide to take profits as the security moves towards this point because it is unlikely that it will move past this level. So friends, when a buyer, if he buys security here or here, and if he finds this area as a resistance, he will feel that disposing his security, and the seller comes into the picture at this stage and they start selling, and from there they will drive back to this support area. So here they feel that, oh, this is the place where we should buy, so their demand will come into the picture. Then again it will start rising. Again, if they find that this acted as resistance earlier, so it will again become second point of resistance. So again they will try to sell here, and again they sell up to the support area where again demand will come, the buyers will emerge into buying. So friends, from here let's see the types of support and resistances. There are two types of support and resistances. One is static, another one is dynamic. For static, the support and resistance level will not change, but for dynamic, these levels dynamically will change on the basis of price movement, price action. Let's see a few static support and resistances. One is trend lines. This picture gives us very good example for trend lines. So let's discuss about this later on. Another one is pivot points. So you all familiar about the pivot points. Pivot mid one is the absolute support and resistance area, and R1, R2 that will act as resistance, and S1, S2 as support. And another one, Fibonacci one. Fibonacci also everyone knows. So you can see I have drawn here from low point to high point, and in between 0.23, 0.838, 0.5, 0.61. These levels will also act as support. So vice versa when the trend is down. Okay, the next one is psychological round figures. Friends, examples like 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000 or 100, 200, 300, any number which is like a round numbers. So it could be stocks or indexes, anything. So this picture, this one is Infosys. It's quite old one. When the price was 3000, you can see here 3000 level acted as support, and here you can see it became resistance. So these psychological round figures also act as static support and resistance. Let's see next one, dynamic support and resistance. For that, moving averages is very good example. Moving averages, when trend is, friends, suppose this is 200 DMA. So if price is rising upward, okay, and price is rising upward, if it comes down, it may take here as support. At the same time, price falls down below even, if it rises, it will take resistance here. So that's how these moving averages will act as support and resistance. You can see dynamic means here the price level is different, here the price level is different. So it will change according to the price action and according to the moving average levels. So that's how the moving average will act as dynamic support and resistance. Let's see next one, the uptrend channels. Uptrend channel or downtrend channels will also act as dynamic support and resistance. You can see we have drawn here two lines. This is the channel. The price is moving in between this channel. So here the price level is different and here the price level is different. So this price level is changed according to the price action. So these 2 points meeting, you basis on that we have drawn this one. So here this point became resistance, and at the same time here, here next could be top above somewhere. So these prices are changing. Friends, this picture illustrates very good example for support and resistance. So let's see that in this uptrend here, if you see, the price has taken resistance at this level and it bounced back and again crossed this resistance and all the way through went to the peak here, and it took resistance there and again come back here. Again this resistance, previous resistance, okay, previous resistance become as support. Now again went back to the previous resistance zone and again it took resistance over there and come back, again took support here and gone through this previous resistance, and after going through that again it took somewhere resistance, again it come back and it took support here where it was a resistance earlier. This was an uptrend. Now let's see downtrend. So when price is going down, it took support here, bounce and again cross this support zone and went beyond, and it took another support here and came up to the previous support level. It took resistance here and went back to support again, same way, resistance here and gone through the previous support and went further lower levels and it took greater support. So friends, for the traders, these support and resistances will give very good profitable trades. So they should keep an eye on these kind of support and resistance areas. So you can see here very good example even for support areas and resistance areas. You can see multiple places where the price has taken resistance and again previous resistance becomes support, like that. You can see in this picture is a very good price reaction basis on support and resistance. Friends, if you like me to make a special video on any topic, please let me know by writing in the comment section. I will definitely look into the comments without fail to address them. So friends, that's all for now. Thank you for watching and I hope that you will benefit from this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share among your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss out on the latest videos. At the same time, stay connected with our free Telegram channel for regular updates. See you in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.